What's up, guys? This is my 9N3 bag Polo. I'm just gonna give you a walkthrough on the car, what I did do to it, what it was, and what it is now. So this car was originally a TDI. So it had a lot of issues, a lot of problems. I ended up scrapping the TDI engine and I opted for 1.8 20 valve out of Audi A3. So that's a AUM engine code. The car had a full respray. You can have a look at the paints. It's a little bit dirty now. One of my good friends, Lendl from Ponella, painted the car for me. The car has a set of 17-inch BMW Throwing Star reps, 185/35 tires. Let me open up. I fitted in GTI seats, Polo GTI seats, leather and Alcantara. Car has an in-dash screen. I'll show you guys the engine bay. It's still a work in progress. It's not perfect. I gotta neaten up some of the wiring. This is the AUM motor. I did fit on a BJX intake. The previous intake I had cracked when I upped the boost when I was on the dyno. The car made 160 kilowatts at Electro Boost dyno. And made about 280 Newton meters of torque. So the future plans with this car is to change the cooler. The cooler is a bit too big, sticks a little bit too far out the bumper. And the next thing is to fit a sunroof onto this car. Let me just show you the boot setup. I have a Airlux remote kit. One compressor, steel tank. It's pretty much a very basic setup, but it does the job. So this is the remote for the car. It's your basic remote setup. So you can air up and air down. Car is pretty much flat at the back. The front, I still got to do a C-notch on the driver's side to get it to go all the way down in the front. And when I do have time, I will continue doing the C-notch. The car does have S3 injectors and a KO3S turbo. It's just a short video just to show you guys this car. It took me about 5 years to build, start to finish. There is some other clips on my channel showing the engine swap and stuff like that. I will insert some clips of me driving the car so you can hear the sound of the engine and the turbo as well.